guys, welcome to my channel, and my name is Binta. And in this video I just wanted to say thank you so much to everybody, my subscribers and my viewers. Even if you're not subscribed, because I know some of you have been leaving comments but are not even subscribed to my channel. But yeah, I just want to say thank you. I really appreciate you guys, because I've been sick. I've not been feeling well. I have a terrible headache, and I also have a crazy congested nose. So yeah, but that's what is going on. I did take a COVID test yeah, yesterday, and it came out negative. So basically I feel like it's just probably a very bad cold, because the past couple of days we had a very bad weather here, and I have been out running some errands. So I feel like that is what got to me. And because I have runny nose, and you know I feel like it started to give me the headache that lasted for a few days. But anyways, I feel better now. I feel a lot better, and you guys have given me like so many recommendations on what to do, when it comes to what to drink and making soups, and also having to bend over steam water. And I have tried some of the recipes, and honestly I must say they do work so well. So I'm gonna be doing a video on those recipes that I used, to making me feel better. So just in case somebody is interested, because it's crazy. And I feel like these recipes are also good for COVID, because you guys know that we're in a very bad time with this virus thing. So anyways, but I feel a lot better, honestly. You guys are amazing. I mean, what could I have done without you? Like, really, what could I have done without? Because like, the comments were just insane. Everybody was just leaving me comments. Feel better, drink this, take your time, Binta. Don't be in a hurry to make videos. We're here, we're waiting. And I'm like, oh my god, your comments alone can even make me feel better. It can even heal me. And I just wanted to say thank you and update you guys on how I feel right now, because I feel a lot better. Though my nose is still running, but it's it's way better compared to, I want to sneeze. Those type of sneeze that will come and then stop. Oh, I hate them. Anyways, but yeah, I feel a lot better compared to how I was feeling 2 days ago. So but yeah, thank you guys. I feel better. As you guys can see, my face looks good, right? My face looks good, and I look fresh. I don't even look like somebody who was sick. But yeah, that's what I'm going through. I don't have COVID, so some of you are worried that it might be COVID. Mommy's me, I'm fine. I don't have COVID. The test came out negative, and thank you. I can't start to name names, because there's a lot of people that I would have to name, and I don't want other people to feel offended. But yeah, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys, and thank you all for the beautiful prayers, and the good wishes that you have been wishing me. I am good, and I will be coming back soon with the videos. Okay. And yeah, before I forget, make sure you subscribe to this channel. This is my lifestyle channel, and I do a lot of other things all about me, cooking, vlogs, and and we'll probably be doing some mukbangs very soon. Anyways, yeah, don't forget to subscribe here too if you're already subscribed on my main channel. Okay, join the family here too. Okay, anyways, that is it for this video, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.